Hi boys and girls. Today we're doing vowels and consonants using our controlled vowels. Remember, there are 5 R-controlled vowels. AR says R, OR says OR, UR, IR, and ER all say The first word we're going to write today is the word sharp. 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 Now we're going to color our vowels A-E-I-O-U red and our consonants blue. So I'm going to go through real quick and color all my consonants blue and my vowel red. But something else that I want us doing is I want us to underline the R-controlled vowel in the word. Our next word is first. First. IR says first. Color my consonants blue. And my vowel red. And then we're going to underline the R-controlled vowel in the word. Our next word is storm. 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 Please pause the video, color the vowels red, consonants blue, and underline the R-controlled vowel. Please make sure that your storm matches my storm. Our next word is sister. 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 Please pause the video, color your vowels and consonants, and underline the R-controlled vowel. Please make sure that your sister matches my sister. Our next word is hurt. 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 Do this one together. I'm going to color my consonants. I'm going to color my vowels red. And then the most important part, underline the R-controlled vowel. Our next word is card. 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 Please pause the video, color the vowels and consonants, and underline the R-controlled vowel. Our next word is third. Third. I have my TH consonant digraph that says I IR, my R controlled vowel that says and my final sound, D, third. Please pause the video, color vowels, consonants, and underline the R controlled vowel. Our next word is born. B or N. Born. B or N. Born. Please pause the video and do everything you need to do. Our next word is verb. V-er-b. Verb. V-er-b. Verb. Please color your vowels, consonants, and underline the R-controlled vowel. And our last word is turn. T-er-n. T-er-n. We'll do this last one together. Color consonants blue. My vowel red. I'm going to underline the R-controlled vowel. All right, my friends, we're going to do write the word using R-controlled vowel. You'll see we have a word bank along here at the bottom. The first word is stir. S-t-er. I-R says Then we have 30. T-e. 30. Skirt. S-k-er-t. Skirt. Bird. B-er-d. Bird. Next word, dirty. D-er-t-e. Dirty. Shirt. Sh-er-t. Shirt. First. F-er-st. First. Squirt. S-qu-er-t. Squirt. The last one is thirsty. Th-er-st-e. Thirsty. Now you're going to match the word with the picture. My first word is stir. I see the picture right here. Stir. S-t-er. And please underline the R-controlled vowel. I like to cross stir off so I can stay organized. Our next word, 30, the number 30. I-R says T-E. Remember, Y can say E at the end of the word. Underline the R-controlled vowel. And the last one we'll do together is skirt. S-k-er-t. Skirt. Underline the R-controlled vowel. All right, my friends, you're on your own from here. Make sure your name is on your paper, turn it into the basket, and move on to Lexia. Way to go.